Hey everybody, quick video update this week. Unfortunately, due to the smoke in the Bay Area, we had to leave for everyone's health and safety. We are safe, and as you may be able to tell here down below, or even above, we are in Reno, Nevada. Safe and sound, breathing the fresh air. I want to send a big thank you to you all for tuning in and wish you all a wonderful Thanksgiving week. I'm sad we can't see you this week, but we don't have access to the studio because we're here. So not by choice, but by necessity. Sky at 5, everybody. Much love from OMG Edson and the crew at On Approach. See you next week.